Let's explore how to use Google Docs substitutions. One of the lesser-known features of Google Docs is substitutions. Substitutions allow you to replace a short string of text with another word, phrase, or symbol automatically. This can be a great way to save time and effort, especially if you find yourself typing the same thing over and over again. They can also help to improve the consistency of your documents and fix regular spelling errors. Step 1. Open the document where you want to create the substitutions. Step 2. Click Tools, then Preferences. Step 3. Click the Substitutions tab. Step 4. In the Replace box, enter the shortcut you want to use. Currently, you cannot include spaces in your text shortcut. Step 5. In the With box, type the word, phrase, or symbol that you want to replace the shortcut with. Step 6. Click OK, then test the substitution by typing the shortcut into your document. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.